Lisa Taylor. I'm research technician with the University of Saskatchewan fruit breeding program, and today I'm going to talk to you about pruning Haskap. So for those of you that are unaware about Haskap, it's a fruiting shrub that has been bred at the University of Saskatchewan. It's one of the earliest fruiting fruit crops. As you can see, it's the end of April and there's already flower buds on this one. So Haskap have a really nice growth habit. They don't actually require too much pruning. They tend to grow into a nice mound structure, and it's great for landscaping. But you know, once they start to get older, around 5 years or so, it's a good idea to start thinning out some of the old wood, so some of the 5-year-old wood or older, just to get some light penetration in the canopy, because this will help enhance fruit production. So I'm just going to show you an example of a branch that would be good to cut. So something in the middle that helps open it up a bit, and as I mentioned before, something that's a little bit thicker and older wood is the best to remove. So just down here. So I'm going to cut out another branch here just to get some more light into the canopy. This one right here. Now, as I mentioned before, they don't need too much pruning, just some thinning cuts to open up the canopy, get some airflow in there, and get some light in.